In this video, you will see why Heikin Ashi candlesticks can improve stock investment strategies and profits, and exactly how they differ from the standard charting candlestick. First, a disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not providing financial advice. This channel is an entertainment and opinion channel only. Per Investopedia, Heikin Ashi candlesticks provide a precise and accurate way of looking at market trends. This enables investors like me to keep emotions in check while the market is making big swings up and down. Hi, I'm Lynn Pearson with 60 Perfect, and thank you for joining me here today. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to 60 Perfect for more money videos. It's free. Click the subscribe button and the bell, and you'll never miss another video like this one. Now, Heikin Ashi candlesticks assist in filtering out the distracting market noise, enabling me to spot trends during periods of bigger market fluctuations. The way in which these candlesticks are calculated enables a smoothing out of the price data that can distort a view of the underlying trend. This distortion is called market noise, including minute by minute or hourly price swings and corrections. For example, let's take a quick look at the SPY ETF in a daily charting time view with standard candles, then with Heikin Ashi candlestick. Also, check out my video linked in the description below detailing how I leveraged the Heikin Ashi technique for a growth of 54% profit in the last 13 months investing in SPY. The Heikin Ashi technique averages price to create a Japanese candlestick chart that smooths out market noise. Manisha Homa developed Heikin Ashi charting in the 1700s, which look a lot like standard candlesticks but differ because of the values used to create each candle. Instead of using the open, high, low, and close like standard candlesticks charts, the Heikin Ashi formula is based on 2 period averages. This gives the chart a smoother appearance, making it easier to spot trends and reversals. If you are getting value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Just a quick poke would be helpful. And remember to share this video with friends. Because the Heikin Ashi technique smooths out price information over a couple of periods, that it makes trends and patterns and pullbacks easier to spot. Candles on a traditional candlestick chart frequently change from green to red or up to down. Heikin Ashi charts, because of their built-in calculations, usually display more consecutive light-colored candles, enabling investors to easily spot more consistent price movements. The Heikin Ashi technique reduces false trading signals in choppy or basing markets. For example, instead of getting 2 false reversal candles before a new trend starts, these candlesticks usually provide a valid signal. How to calculate a Heikin Ashi? The close price of the Heikin Ashi HA candlestick is the average of the 4 prices from the open, high, low, and close for a stock or ETF. The HA's next candlestick open price is calculated by averaging the prior open and close prices. To calculate the next candlestick's high, the single maximum is selected for either the high, open, or close. The HA candlestick's low is calculated based upon the minimum of the low, open, or close. Heikin Ashi candles make it easy to quickly see trends. For example, candlestick green bodies with no lower wicks show an upward trend, and red bodies with no lower wicks or shadows show a downward trend. Alternately, doji candles, which are candles with small bodies and wicks above and below, suggest a reversal in trend, especially if they appear after a longer downward or upward trend. If these doji candles show up in a sequence, they can reveal sideways price moves or consolidations. Larger candle bodies are indications of a stronger market direction, especially if a green candle has no downward wick and a red candle isn't displaying any upward wicks. Candles with larger green bodies can be viewed in both the day and week charting views. This is a stronger indication that the trend will continue. Smaller candle bodies can show that a trend is growing weaker. The Heikin Ashi candlestick view. A limited number of brokers offer these types of candlesticks, though, in their charting programs. The brokers I use that do offer Heikin Ashi candlesticks are E-Trade and Webull. Please let me know in a comment below if you know of any other brokers that offer charting with Heikin Ashi candlesticks. This would be helpful to other viewers of this video as well. Neither E-Trade or Webull are sponsoring this video, but I do have affiliate links to these brokers in my description below. FinViz Elite also enables you to backtest new approaches such as my 6-9 strategy. Backtests are a great way to help you evaluate trading strategies before using them in a real market or with real money. FinViz Elite also enables you to screen out hundreds of ETFs for specific criteria such as volume of shares traded per day or liquidity of the ETF, and ATR, average true range of the ETF's daily price moves. FinViz Elite also offers 100 technical indicators, 16 years of historical data, comparisons to the SPY benchmark, and others. Again, my affiliate link to FinViz Elite below. I strongly believe in the value of backtesting market strategies, and I have used this service for many years. Remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Go here to view my 6-9 strategy that yielded a 54% gain in SPY.